hope you all are good. We are here for grade 2 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 2 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter time. And the lessons we're going to cover today are read clocks and write times, half an hour and half hour. Read clocks and write time. Time words o'clock, half or quarter. Then AM or PM. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So here I am on grade 2 math. Chapter we're working on is time. Let's just start with the lesson, that is read clocks and write times, hour and half hour, right? What time does the clock show? So basically when reading the clocks, first you have to understand the clock, right? So the clock have two hands. The shorter one, this is the hour hand, right? And the longer one, this represents the minutes hand, right? So for the hour hand is pointing to 4 and the minutes are pointing to 0. So the time is exactly 4 o'clock, right? The correct option is 4 o'clock, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, what time does the clock show? Which is the correct option? The hour hand points to 2, right? And the minute hand points to 0. So that means the correct option is option number 2, that's 2 o'clock. What time does the clock show? Which is the correct one? Which is the correct option? Where is 12:30? That is 6 o'clock. How 12:30? The shorter hand represents the hour. The longer one represents the minute. So the shorter one is pointing to 6. So that is exactly 6 o'clock. You did the reverse. The smaller one, the shorter hand is for hours. The longer hand is for minute. Got it? That is 6 o'clock. What time does the clock show? Which is the correct option? The correct option is the shorter hand is for hour hand, right? And that points to 11. That means that is 11 o'clock. So the correct option is 11. What time does the clock show? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 10 o'clock, right? Because the hour hand points directly to 10. So that is 10 o'clock. What time does the clock show? Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 3 o'clock, right? That is option number 1. 3 o'clock it is, right? What time does the clock show? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is 9 o'clock, right? The correct option is 9. What time does the clock show? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 5 o'clock. What time does the clock show? Which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, that is 7 o'clock. Okay. What time does the clock show? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 2 o'clock. What time does the clock show? Which is the correct option? That is 3 o'clock, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is read clocks and write times. Let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, that is exactly the same we just did, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, what time does the clock show? Which is the correct option? Which is the clock shows 10 o'clock. The correct option is 10. What time does the clock show? Which is the correct option? That is 12. The correct option is 12. What time does the clock show? Yes, the clock shows 9. The correct option is 9. Okay, what time does the clock show? Which is the correct option? That is 4 o'clock, right? Okay, the next one is what time does the clock show? Which is the correct option? The clock shows 6 o'clock. The correct option is 6, right? Okay. You can complete the lesson by yourself later today, right? The next one is okay. Time words o'clock, half or quarter. right? No, I'm not sick. What time is shown? Which is the correct option? The clock shows 6, right? Exactly 6, right? So you can say it is 6 o'clock, right? The correct option is 6 o'clock. Okay. What time is shown? You can see that is 15, right? You have 15 minutes after 5 o'clock, right? So when you have 15 minutes make a quarter of an hour out, right? Quarter of an hour means you can divide the 60 minutes into 4. Like you can divide 60 minutes into, here you have 60 minutes, right? 60 minutes equal 15 plus 15 plus 15 and plus 15, right? If you have 4 15s, take 60. That means 115 is the quarter of an hour, 1/4 of an hour it is, right? So when you have that is quarter past 15, quarter past 15 means 15 minutes after 5, right? Okay, let's just start with the test question. Okay, what time is shown? Which is the correct option? You can see that is exactly 6, right? So you can say it is 6 o'clock, right? 6 o'clock it is. What time is shown? Which is the correct option? You can see you have 15 minutes after 1, right? So you can say it is quarter after 1. That is quarter after 1 because you have 15 minutes after 1, right? Okay, what time is shown? Which is the correct option? That is 8:30, right? So you can say it is half past 8 because you have 30 minutes gone after 8, right? So you can say it is half past 8. Very good. What time is shown? Which is the correct option? What time is shown, which is the correct option? That is 15 minutes after 5, right? So you can say that is quarter past 5. What time is shown, which is the correct option? You have 15 to 3, right? That means you still have 15 minutes to 3, right? So the correct option is quarter to 3. Whenever you are talking about the 15 minutes, that is quarter. So it is quarter to 3, right? That means after 15 minutes, it is 3, right? What time is shown, which is the correct option? That is half past 2, because 30 minutes, that is 2:30, right? So the correct option is half past 2 is the correct option. What time is shown, which is the correct option? is 5 o'clock. Okay, what time is shown? Which is the correct option? That is 9:30, right? That means half past 9. The correct option is half past 9. Okay, what time is shown? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is 2 o'clock. What time is shown? Which is the correct option? That is quarter past 8, right? The correct option is quarter past 8. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is the next one is AM or PM, right? Okay, Iman woke up to go to school. What time did she woke up? Okay, usually we woke up in the morning, right? So in the morning before 12, it is AM, right? That means she woke up at 6 a.m., right? Anytime in the evening or night is PM, anytime in the afternoon is PM, and morning is AM, right? You have to keep this in your mind. Morning is always AM, evening, night, or afternoon, they are the PM, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Alan family is going for a bike ride in the afternoon. What time is it? 3 a.m. or 3 p.m.? Which is the correct option? They are going in the afternoon, right? And afternoon is a PM. So that means the correct option is the time is 3 p.m. They are going at 3 p.m. Afternoon is PM, right? Courtney is going to go out to a party tonight. What time is it? 10 a.m., 10 p.m. Which is the correct option? Yes, that is 10 p.m., right? Because they are going tonight, right? That would be 10 p.m. Frank does not like waking up in the morning. What time does he not like to wake up? 6 a.m., 6 p.m. that is he do not like to wake up at 6 a.m., right? Because he doesn't like to wake up at morning. So that is 6 a.m., right? So Nana likes shopping in the evening. What time does she shop? Which is the correct option? The correct option is evening it is. So 7 p.m., right? The correct option is 7 p.m. Iman woke up to go to school. What time she woke up? Which is the correct option? That is 6 a.m. The correct option is 6 a.m. because she go to school in the morning. Katlina went to the fireworks at night. What time was it? She went at night, right? That means this is 9 p.m. The correct option is 9 p.m. Okay, Mars was working on his computer at night. What time was it? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is working at night. So that is 10 p.m., right? Mila likes to go out with her parents for dinner. What time will she eat? Which is the correct option? Dinner, right? That is 6 p.m. Zed will play basketball with his friends in the morning. What time will he play? The correct option is morning, right? So that would be 9 a.m. Sad, Mila, Katlina, and Iman do their homework after they come home from school. What time did they go? They do their homework. The correct option is they do after school, right? That means they do in the afternoon. That would be 4 p.m., right? Okay, we are done with the lesson. So we're working on grade 2 maths. The chapter we're working on is time. The lessons we have covered are read clocks and time. Read clocks and write time, hour and half hour. Read clocks and write times. Time, words, o'clock, half and quarter, AM or PM. Next class is for grade 9 for today. You are asking about grade 2 class? Please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lesson we did today. If you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9. If you have any question related to the lesson, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions. Mm, Grade 2 session is now on Monday at 6, right? Today is the second session for grade 2. We have two sessions for grade 2 in a week, one on Monday at 6 and one on Wednesday at 6, right? So the next session is on Monday. Anything else you want to know? Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.